Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video really doesn't warrant the question doesn't warrant a video. I could have told her how to do this, but I thought somebody might learn a little bit. And this is a way to, she sent me a picture of the black logo that works and the white logo that doesn't work. It's got black dots and black spots. And then she sent me the Corel file, which is exactly the same. So I could have told her how to do this, but I put a yellow background so you could see the lettering. I'm going to select all this, and I'm going to right-click no outline or no fill, and I'm going to right-click an outline. That's all you have to do. Now, take your Smart Fill tool. Well, let's go back. You can't just remove, see the dots and the circles need to be not there, but there's white on top of them. So, or white behind it. So it's not you can't just take them away. So we're gonna left click no fill, right click outline. I'm just using red, it doesn't matter. Now, they will know I'm pretty sure this is called direct to film. Printing on film to press. I've learned things through the years going to shows and everything and answering questions. So you would want to pick the color, young lady, for the one you want, be it whatever, if you use RGB or CMYK, so you'll need to, I'm going to do it in CMYK because I think that's what most printers use, and then go to white, and then you're going to be really mad. This is so easy. Take this white and fill it in. Just, stay inside the letter and not the only thing the one of the reasons I decided to go ahead and make the video, for one, it's a lot easier to answer a question, and two, you really need to make sure that you select it all and right-click no outline, so there won't be anything there. This is really hard to read, but if you can mirror it and actually say Silver Spot Saloon. And they do that so they can transfer it onto a shirt. Pretty cool process. I've seen it done before. And anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.